A tech stack is a combination of technologies, programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and tools used by developers to build and run applications. Think of it as the set of ingredients and recipes needed to create a software product. A tech stack is typically divided into two main parts: the front end, client side, and the back end, server side. Let's explore these parts and their associated concepts in detail. Front end, client side. The front end is everything that users interact with directly. It includes the visual aspects of a website or application like layout, design, and user interface. Here are the main components of the front-end tech stack. 1. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, the standard language for creating web pages, defines the structure of web content, uses tags to create elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. 2. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, a language used to describe the presentation of HTML elements, controls layout, colors, fonts, and overall visual appearance, allows for responsive design to make websites look good on various devices. 3. JavaScript, a scripting language that makes web pages interactive, used for dynamic content such as interactive forms, animations, and real-time updates, can be run in the browser, client side, or on the server side with Node.js. 4. Front-end frameworks and libraries. React, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces developed by Facebook. It allows developers to create reusable UI components. Angular, a TypeScript-based framework developed by Google. It provides a comprehensive solution for building web applications. Vue.js, a progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces known for its simplicity and flexibility. 5. Build tools and task runners. Webpack, a module bundler that compiles JavaScript modules and other assets into a single bundle. Gulp and Grunt, task runners that automate repetitive tasks like minification, compilation, and testing. 6. Preprocessors. SAS, syntactically awesome style sheets, a CSS preprocessor that adds features like variables, nested rules, and mixins to CSS. Less, another CSS preprocessor with similar features to SAS. Backend, server side. The backend is everything that users do not see but makes the front end functional. It includes servers, databases, and server-side applications. Here are the main components of the backend tech stack. 1. Programming languages. JavaScript, Node.js, .js allows JavaScript to be run on the server side, enabling full-stack JavaScript development. Python, known for its simplicity and readability, commonly used with frameworks like Django and Flask. Ruby, often used with the Ruby on Rails framework for web development. Java, a robust, object-oriented language used in enterprise-level applications. PHP, a server-side scripting language often used for web development. 2. Backend frameworks. Express.js, a minimalist web framework for Node.js. Django, a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Ruby on Rails, a server-side web application framework written in Ruby. Spring, a comprehensive framework for building Java applications. 3. Databases, relational databases. MySQL, an open-source relational database management system. PostgreSQL, an advanced open-source relational database with a focus on extensibility and standards compliance. SQLite, a self-contained, serverless, and lightweight relational database. NoSQL databases, MongoDB, a document-oriented NoSQL database. Cassandra, a distributed NoSQL database designed to handle large amounts of data across many commodity servers. 4. Web servers. Apache, an open-source web server that is highly customizable. And Nginx, a high-performance web server and reverse proxy server known for its stability and low resource usage. 5. APIs, application programming interfaces, allow different software applications to communicate with each other. REST, representational state transfer, a popular architecture style for designing networked applications. GraphQL, a query language for APIs that allows clients to request exactly the data they need. 6. Authentication and security. OAuth, an open standard for access delegation commonly used as a way to grant websites or applications access to user information without exposing passwords. JSON Web Tokens, a compact URL-safe means of representing claims to be transferred between two parties. Full stack. A full stack developer is someone who works with both the front end and back end of an application. They understand how to integrate the different layers of the tech stack and ensure that everything works together smoothly. DevOps and deployment. DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. The goal is to shorten the development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. Key concepts and tools include 1. Version control. Git, a distributed version control system used to track changes in source code during software development. GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, platforms that provide Git repository hosting and collaboration features. 2. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment. Jenkins, an open source automation server for building, testing, and deploying applications. Travis CI, a continuous integration service used to build and test projects hosted on GitHub. 3. Containerization and orchestration. Docker, a platform that uses OS-level virtualization to deliver software in packages called containers. Kubernetes, an open source system for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. 4. Cloud services, AWS Amazon Web Services, a comprehensive cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing platform. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Google's suite of cloud computing services. Monitoring and logging. To ensure the application runs smoothly, it's essential to monitor performance and log important events. Key tools include 1. Monitoring tools, Prometheus, an open source monitoring and alerting toolkit. Grafana, an open source platform for monitoring and observability that supports multiple data sources. 2. Logging tools, Elk Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, a set of tools for searching, analyzing, and visualizing log data in real time. Splunk, a powerful platform for searching, monitoring, and analyzing machine-generated big data. Summary. A tech stack is the backbone of any software project. It defines how an application is built, deployed, and maintained. By understanding the various components and tools that make up a tech stack, developers can choose the best technologies for their projects and ensure a smooth development process.